We're going to scroll down now in the tutorials, and we're going to work with a taper now, an extruded taper. So I'll start a new part, and I'll start a new sketch, and I'll put it on the XY plane. And I'm going to make this, I'm going to draw a straight line here. Start at the top, and I'll come down to the origin, and I'll go across, and I'll go back up to the top. I'll put a dimension on. It's a 1 by 1.20 triangle. So this is 1, check mark. And this is 1.2. Now I can either click Finish Sketch up there, or I can right click and say Enter, the green check mark. Well, it didn't work. Well, we'll just hit Finish Sketch. Okay, now I'm going to go into my extrude dialog box. So I got to start the extrude command, and I want this to go into the paper. So I'm going to choose this direction 2 icon right here. And I'm going to change the output. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm going to change to more up here. And this is where I'm going to get a taper angle put in. And I'm going to put in 10 degrees. And what you'll notice is that the part got bigger on the back. If I had put a minus sign in here for -10, the part would get smaller. But in this case, I want it to get larger. So I'm going to hit the plus, and I'll say OK. Now, I noticed something that I did wrong, and that is that the extrusion is only supposed to be 1/2 an inch deep. So you can see in this icon right here, mine doesn't look like that one does there. So I need to edit the feature. So I'm going to go to the model tree where it says Extrusion 1. I'm going to right click. I'm going to say Edit Feature. I'm going to change this distance to 0.5 and then say OK. And now I've created a tapered extrusion.